Welcome, commercial drivers. Today, we are addressing an issue that impacts us all: Department of Transportation, or DOT, fines and penalties. We will explore some common ones, their consequences, and how to avoid them. Before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with crucial trucking information. Safety should always be our main focus when it comes to commercial driving, not only to protect ourselves and others on the road, but to avoid those hefty fines that can come with violations. So, what's at the top of the list? Hours of service violations. Over 70% of all DOT fines come from these. A driver's failure to maintain proper logs, driving over hours, or not taking required breaks can result in fines up to $11,000 per occurrence. Next, we have drug and alcohol violations. A positive test can put a driver out of service, result in a hefty fine, and can even lead to criminal charges. Remember, the cost of a violation far exceeds the momentary relief or thrill. Moving along, let's talk about vehicle maintenance. Did you know that improper load securement and brake-related violations account for almost 45% of all out-of-service violations? Inadequate pre-trip inspections and overlooking routine maintenance can cost us a lot more than just time and inconvenience. False reports of records of duty status is another violation that's quite common. This can result in fines of up to $5,500 per day. Honesty, though sometimes tough, always pays off in the end. Here's yet another violation that we should mention: operating a commercial motor vehicle without a CDL, or with a suspended, revoked, or canceled CDL. Fines can range from $2,500 to $5,000 and even include jail time. Always make sure your paperwork is in order. It's important to remember that all these fines add up. In 2022 alone, the FMCSA collected over $40 million in fines from commercial drivers. But here's the good news. Most of these violations can be easily avoided with proper training, compliance, and mindfulness of our duties and responsibilities. So let's strive to make every journey a safe and compliant one. If you need to learn more information about how to avoid fines and penalties, the third-party experts at Moving Authority Association are standing by to help you out. Please visit movingauthority.com, or you can give our association a phone call at 702-333-2430. We have served as leaders in the trucking industry for over 2 decades. Countless commercial drivers depend on our registration services to stay compliant with government regulations. Also, what do you think about the DOT fines and penalties mentioned in this video? Does it make sense to you why the government has them in place? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Also, if you're a household goods carrier, Moving Authority Association is a national leader when it comes to arbitration programs and moving tariffs. If your business is in need of either service, let us know. Please do not forget to like this video, press subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up to date about crucial information that benefits transportation professionals.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.